This is our LS Pallet that we currently have in stock. It's from a 1999 Corvette. It's LS1 engine. We're selling it complete with fuel tank, fuel pumps, our throttle pedal, our gauge cluster, ECU, all engine accessories that are on here. So we got AC pump, alternator, power steering pump. Obviously we have intake and all of that as well. So we went through and recoded this ECU to take the theft protection off of it. So so at the same time we rewired to something that's a little bit more basic. We figure, you know, somebody's going to put this into our hot rod. So what we'll do is we'll get this fired up, show that it runs and operates as it should. All you would need here is cooling. Figure out, you know, what you want to do with vacuum hoses and exhaust, and it will run. So we'll get it started here. So we have a battery switch here, so we'll turn that on, and then we have basically an ignition switch here. So it's hard to see in our light here, but then our power, or our start switch, turns to red. So we'll fire it up here. Shut it off. We shut it down there, and then we can disconnect battery with our switch here. So this engine has 85,300 miles or so, or 85,400 miles. So relatively low miles for an LS. Runs and drives, again, available at our website www.playgroundpar.com, or our might have this on our eBay store at Playground Par. We'll kind of show at least some of the numbers here that we've got on the heads. We'll take one more walk around and we'll start it one more time. Again, we don't run this for very long at all. So one more start. All right, thanks for watching. I'm sure this will find a new home soon.